This is an equation, and then we are going to solve this equation. But it's not the typical type. It's because there is one part equal to the second part equal to the third part. We never, in our calculation, we never put all the things in one row together. I can't accept two equal sides at the same row. So we are going to separate the equations. What we know is 4 alpha plus beta is equal to 5. And at the same time, I also know that 7 alpha plus 3 beta is also equal to 5. So it's look much easier to understand. It's basically a simultaneous equation. Not only this combination, you may also use 4 alpha plus beta equal to 7 alpha plus 3 beta. You may use this one. It's just the same. After you write in this format, then you can use your calculator program 1 directly to get what is the first unknown, that means alpha, and then you can also find out the second output will be the second unknown, which is beta. But if you want to solve it by yourself, the key point is I don't want alpha, so I want to make 4 and 7 alpha become the same thing. To do so, I can do whatever I want on one equations. I want 4 become 7, so I can try to do times 7. At the same time, what below? I want to make 7 become the same as 4 alpha, so I try to times 4 because that's missing. If I follow this decision, the first equation will give you 28 alpha plus 7 beta equal to 35. The second equation will give you 28 alpha plus 12 beta equal to 20. So I successfully create the same alpha term. After that, just by subtraction, then this term will be disappeared. So we are going to use left hand side minus left hand side should equal to right hand side minus right hand side. The first left hand side we use 28 alpha plus 7 beta. And then the second left hand side we use 28 alpha plus 12 beta. Should equal to 35 minus 20. If we follow this calculation, we have minus 28 alpha minus 12 beta. Beware the sign change here. Is equal to 15. Alpha and alpha cancel out, so we get 7 minus 12 minus 5 beta is equal to 15. So both sides divided by negative 5 in order to extract beta. Beta is negative 3. So we get A be the answer. A little bit more about this step is because if we use one equations, 5 equal to 5, and then we also know that 3 is equal to 3. So if you consider this minus this, 5 minus 3, then right hand side should be also this minus this. We have 5 minus 3. If this is correct, then we know that this statement also correct. That's what we have done here.